Geez, that was like a 12-minute queue right there. Second rank, second duel of the night. Oh, come on. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list. Why is it my turn? See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the rings. Why is it my turn, dude? It's not even my turn. I can't even do anything. Why is it counting down? It's my turn. What the fuck? There we go. No, this is just really laggy. I'm gonna time out because of this lag and I'm gonna lose my rank. Are you kidding me? Bruh, I have nothing to... It's not even letting me... Or, yeah, I can't even do that. I'm gonna time out because of lag. If this times me out, this is fucking bullshit. Why is my timer going down? I don't get it. Like, holy shit. All he has to do is just keep making plays and now I'm gonna time out. I'm gonna time out because of this and lose my rank. I'm at 1301. I was hoping to go like 1320 or 1310, but I think I'm just gonna time out from this. I'm gonna report this. This is ridiculous. This is a bug or something. Fucking bullshit. It's hacking. Watch, I'm gonna time out. What the fuck? Hacking. Yeah, save that replay. Fuck. don't know if that's how you spell the opponent. I'm out of my opponent's turn. What the fuck? What? Oh, let's just OP times out. It's OP times out. This bullshit, man. Burning Abyss. I don't fucking know. Oh, how did I time out? Like, I don't get it. Lag? Lag much? No. See, now it's my turn and I'm gonna fucking time out. Bruh. The time and the lag is it's ridiculous, man. Holy shit. Is this what the update was about? Like, because it didn't fix anything. It was okay at first, but I don't know. There you go. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Don't time me out when it's his turn. Okay. Okay. What the fuck is that? I don't really know Burning Abyss. I don't. Ryukyu? Gotcha. What the fuck? Response to this effect. Oh. Okay. Probably should have did this. But I'm doing the... Oh, I thought it was... Oh, that's dumb. Whatever. I should have just did the back row already, god damn it. Didn't I already Dark Ruler? Oh, it's not a once per turn. Wait. Oh, fudge. Wow, he's got this. I'm still gonna report that. That's fucking cheating. He hit the lag switch. Burning Abyss, Buster Blader. Gotta make sure. Pop that back row. Let's not shuffle it back. Yeah. Cheat code activate. Can't. Ow. Cheat code? What is it? I lost already. Cheat code. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's negated as well. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's it. It's over. Only had Mystic Mine. That's over. That's full. I was at 1301. Come on. Oh my god. Well, comment, share, like, if subbed it, so if you liked it. See you guys. This guy, game 1, I don't know what the fuck happened.